We're asked to verify y equals 2x plus 4 is a solution to the differential equation dy dx equals x minus 1/2 y. We do this via direct substitution. So we know what y is and we know what x is. The only thing we have to calculate is dy dx. And we'll do that from our equation. So the derivative of 2x plus 4, which is 2. And now what we're going to do is sub these into our differential equation. So the dy dx here, we will sub in 2. The x remains x. And for y, we will substitute what we had for our equation, which is 2x minus 4. And then we simplify. 2 equals x. Now we're going to distribute the negative 1/2, so minus 1/2 times 2x is x. Negative 1/2 times a negative 4 is a plus 2. Those x's cancel, we get 2 equals 2, which is exactly what we should get, and our solution is verified.